guys, welcome to another crafting week, and as promised we're going to make some dangles for our Amity journal. Here is one that I've already made and put on. What I've got some garment pins, I've got some dangle pins, which that's not the proper name for them, I can't remember what they're called, but I call them dangle pins for jewellery. To put make dangles with. I've got some charms and embellishments there, and I thought that I've been trying out some little dangles with like a little butterfly and a couple of little beads on. So let's see, I want to have quite a bit of green in these. The only thing is fiddly when you've got arthritis, it doesn't go where you want. I do so many green, then a blue. These are just beads that I've had forever from, got them from the works, I think, in the UK, and you never seem to use them all. I've used a lot, but there's still plenty left. It was about £5 for a great big massive tub full. That's pretty. And then I can't find, I've got a whole set of my tweezers and I really can't find them. They're in a leather case, and yeah, I can't find them. We've had a clear out, and I've rearranged my desk, and I haven't got a clue where. I haven't got a clue where I've put it. Now they're not going to come off there, and then what I tend to do is you can either put a bulb pin on there. Let's have a look. I have got some green ones in here somewhere, be nice. Yeah. And they're as easy as that. Or sometimes I put a little safety pin on the top, depending. But don't they look pretty? These I got from Amazon. They're quite inexpensive. And look at that pretty end. They are really nice. Right, let's have a look. We will have green. 2 greens and then a pink, I think. Oh, like a red. So I hope you all had a good weekend. Usual grey weather. Usual grey weather, but it does feel good to be having the lighter nights coming. Two green and a pink. And you can just easily do these while you're watching a show or something on the television. They're not hard to do. Oops, they're just fiddly. Chasing round colours, that's a blue. I don't want a blue, I want a green. There we go. And it's just a matter of twisting. And making a loop. There we go. They can't come off now. Now I've done some of these little dangles as well, So got some gold pins. That's a silver one. Let's see. Got some. This is another one we've got loads of. Bag full of how many? Feels like I've got 1,000 in here. Let's have a look. Got a little butterfly there. What else shall we have? I think that's an old earring. Could have a little heart. I've got a little heart. Oh, it's an apple. Don't want silver. Let's have gold. Oh, we've got one already there. A coffee bean on that one. Let's put a couple of beads then with it. Let's put that on that way. A couple of brownish colour beads would be nice on there. I'm not sure we'll use all of these in the Amity journal, but they're there ready, aren't they? Actual fact. That will go nice. Let's use that. Let's put green on. And blue. They're more like the blues, aren't they? Then I'm going to put this round on. And then some greens at the top. Now, because I want greens, I can't see them. Nope. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. I haven't done these for such a long time, and it's one of those that you forget about them. And it's a shame because they really are pretty and they're really effective in your journals. Let's squash that level. I'm not the best loop maker, but hey, doesn't matter. That's pretty. Okay, right. Was there anything else like that we could have? Or are they old dangles? That's pretty. Oh, there's a cute owl there. Let's have that. Let's have a cute owl. I think I'll have a couple of red with it. Cute. Right. I've got some like yellow. Two blue. Sorry, I can't talk much when I'm concentrating on threading these. Put some more yellow in here. There's one there. Oh. There we go. That's pretty. There we go. Make sure that's straight. I thought that we'd have 3 in each signature of these long dangles, and then we'll do 2. So we want another. We'll have another butterfly. There we go. Just put some white, like an opalescent colour there. That's nice. There we go. So we've got a gold and a butterfly, the owl, and then we've got a coffee bean and a butterfly, and then we will do 2 more of the dangles. Once you get started with it, they get a bit addictive. You want to keep doing them because they're so easy to do. So, you know, you can just spend an hour or so doing them and put them away. It's going to be a different one with the black somewhere. Oops. Red. Chasing. Another red on the top. Ah, they're all in my hand. You end up with loads of beads in your hoover. You do find that, don't you? You say them. You end up dropping them on the carpet, and then, unless you've got a craft floor that's laminate or something, you can hoover them up. But we've got carpet in here. Not till you hear them clattering away in your hoover do you realise, how many you've dropped. And then we'll have a red one on top to manage to tie in with that red one at the bottom. There we go. And I think we ought to have another do a black and yellow one, I think. For a couple of yellows. Lovely. Of course, people that make jewellery are a lot better at doing these than me. You know, they're not perfect by any means, but, you know, as I say, we're junk journaling. Doesn't have to be precise. If you were selling it as jewellery, yes, you'd expect it. Right. Let's just straighten that out a bit. It's a lot easier when I've got my full set tweezers, but hey ho. Let's just take that up a bit again. Tell my hands have had enough of doing them. This last one, that's it. Is it? I don't want the pins, you see. Once you put your garment pins on, if you haven't done that tight enough, they come out the end. There we go. That's it. That's better. Right, so there you have it. They're as simple as that. We've got some lovely dangles now that we can put on our journal next week. Not next week, this week. Because Saturday is the last day of... I'm forgetting it's a short month. There you go. They're all ready to go in our journal. And look how easy they are. But they're beautiful, aren't they? They look really effective. And just make a change from just putting ordinary dangles on. But they're pretty as well. Right, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday sewing. Bye for now.